Hey Townies, I'm Chris and nandito ko ngayon sa Mytown, Amsterdam para itry ang first ever coffee workshop here at Cafe Shiloh. At nasamahan ako ni Tessa at aming itatry ang basic na coffee workshop. Tara! So Tessa, why are you here tonight sa coffee workshop?
I wanted to learn more about coffee because I'm really a coffee lover.
Of course, gusto na malaman kung paano mag-mix ng since curious din ako. So, yeah, since it's a coffee lesson, gusto ko lang try. It's my first time actually to try this. So,
Ako, wala. Kasi interesting din ako sa coffee. Sobrang coffee lover.
Aside from our day job, parang ano na din siya, opportunity to learn and i-grab na natin yung binibigay sa atin na perk being a town.
And what's your go-to coffee?
Definitely it's caramel macchiato or iced chocolate mocha.
Strawberry matcha.
Spanish latte talaga.
Kapag ka ba sa Spanish?
Aside from Spanish latte at saka Spanish thing, mahilig din ako sa tea, especially sa matcha.
so ako naman Spanish latte.
Spanish latte.
Kahit isang brand siya.
So why are you here tonight?
Kasi ako joke.
Ikaw yung organizer.
Ay, organize.
Okay.
Kailangan.
So ikaw, gagawa ka ba ng strawberry matcha?
Let's check if kaya. If
Alright.
maggagawa kaya.
So are you going to try to make caramel macchiato dito ba?
Definitely, that's why I'm so excited to try this
Alright.
workshop.
Tessa, anong ginawa mong coffee?
So I made tiramisu latte.
Yeah, same. I had tiramisu latte din, but this is single shot and then that
This
is
is a double shot.
double shot. So, masarap naman yan.
Super, half the
Same.
shot.
Well, yeah, actually, I enjoyed it. And sabi nila na this is the most challenging na ginagawa nila because this is their specialty train. So that's why we chose this flavor para ma-challenge naman tayo, right?
True.
That's
At
right.
saka marami siyang process in fairness. So it
Yeah.
really took time to make this.
Yeah.
Pero it's all worth it kasi ang sarap.
Yeah, and for a beginner,
And for a beginner.
nagawa natin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Matcha latte. Sobrang surreal na experience. Sobrang guided. Well-guided kami ng mga, tsaka knowledgeable talaga yung mga staffs nila here. So, kaya yung result ng matcha latte ko is sobrang sarap. Like legit, yung friend ko na hindi mahilig sa matcha, nasarapan din.
Yeah, exactly.
Approved.
Strawberry matcha.
So how's the experience in creating your own drink?
Siyempre masaya kasi alam mo yun, hands-on yung pagtuturo sa'yo. Tapos, matitikmo mo pa yung sarili mong gawa which is, effort and yung kahit walang pawis, pero effort pa rin yan.
Yeah, exactly. So parang masarap ba yung gawa mo?
Of course. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
10 out of 10.
Pwede na maging barista.
Yeah.
It was fun. Medyo kinakabahan ng konti pero the experience was fulfilling. Dahil finally, na-experience ko na how to make my own drink.
Yes. And why don't we invite them to check out this cafe, right?
Yes, of course. So, hi Townies and hi everyone. So, I'm inviting you all to visit Cafe Shiloh. They're located at Mytown, Amsterdam in Panay Street, Pitogo, Taguig City. They're open every day from 9:30 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Alright. Bye, guys.
Bye!
Thank you, Cafe Shiloh.